Aquino International Airport Terminal 3. The local time now is 12 minutes past the hour of 12 in the afternoon. For your safety, please remain seated until the seatbelt sign is switched off. Be careful when opening the overhead compartment, and please ensure you have all your personal belongings with you before leaving the aircraft. It was a pleasure having you on board, and we look forward to serving you again soon. On behalf of Asia Captain Rodney Flores, First Officer Carmela Barton, and the rest of the crew members, we would like to say thank you for flying with us.